After multiple winters plowing with this ATV, these are the 5 upgrades you need. Not horsepower, not hype, just setup. Plowing snow starts at the contact point. Plowing snow starts here, the tire. This is more important than horsepower. It gives you traction, and that is what you need when you're plowing or riding in the snow. This is a stock 25-inch tire, and as you can see, it still has fairly good lugs and tread on it. But when I'm going to be upgrading this, maybe in about a year or two, there are 2 things I'm going to do. One is I'm going to go up one size to a 26-inch instead of a 25, and I'm going to get a tire with more aggressive lugs. That way, I will get better traction compared to this. Now, the ATV calls for a 4.4 PSI in this tire. I lower my PSI to about 3, and that way I have a wider footprint, and this also increases grip. So consider lowering your PSI for a better grip. Steel digs, ABS glides. Shock transfers into the winch and frame. This ABS pipe reduces chatter, and it protects your gravel driveway and the plow. We have the full video about this ABS mod on our channel. Less shock, less wear. If this kind of setup breakdown helps you, consider liking and subscribing. I test this stuff in real conditions. Snow has to go somewhere. Without this deflector, it comes up over the blade and towards you. When you install this, it forces the snow forward. I have a detailed video about this. It shows the install and the results. That's also on the channel. This gives you better visibility and less fatigue. Plowing is slow speed work, and wind strips heat fast. A windshield helps to redirect the airflow around you, and that preserves energy. There are different sizes and types of windshields for an ATV. We have a very basic one. You can get something that is narrow, something bigger, wider. It doesn't really matter. As long as it redirects the airflow around you, so when you're riding in the winter or plowing, you're going to be much warmer. Your hands control everything. Cold hands react slower. These hand guards protect your hands from the wind and the snow. And these guards also come with mirrors. So when you're riding along the trail, you can see who's behind you, or when you're plowing and you're reversing, or you want to see if it's safe to reverse. I find these very convenient. None of these upgrades are flashy, but every one of them improves control and efficiency. Plowing snow isn't about brute force. It's mechanical efficiency. Focus on setup first, power second. If you want to see the full video about the snow deflector install, that's right there. If you want to watch the video about the ABS pipe install, that's right over there.